What you're looking at right now is not just another SUV. This is the kind of flagship that could make even the biggest names in the luxury SUV world nervous. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time, up close, the futuristic Astros 2027 BYD Yangwang U10. Look at that front end. The massive grille, the razor-sharp LED headlights, the muscular hood, and that wide, aggressive stance. The moment this SUV appears on screen, it doesn't look like something designed to simply carry passengers. It looks like something designed to dominate the road. And the closer we get, the more dramatic it becomes. The front fascia is packed with sharp line and black detailing, giving the U10 an unmistakably powerful character. The huge grille takes center stage, while the lighting signature gives the SUV a futuristic face. The white body combined with the black roof, black mirrors, and massive black wheels creates a contrast that makes the entire vehicle look even more aggressive. But don't look away yet, because the side profile tells a completely different story. From the side, the U10 looks enormous. The body is tall, wide, and extremely planted, while the muscular wheel arches make the SUV appear ready to attack the road. The oversized wheels fill those arches almost perfectly, and the black lower trim gives the vehicle a much more performance-focused appearance. Even the smallest details are designed to create presence. The dark glass, sharp shoulder line, roof rails, black pillars, and sculpted doors all work together to make this SUV look like a high-end concept brought straight into a luxury showroom. And then we reach the rear. This is where the U10's futuristic personality becomes even more obvious. The wide rear lighting signature stretches across the tailgate, while the vertical LED elements create a distinctive look from a distance. The rear bumper is finished with aggressive black detailing, giving the SUV a much sportier appearance than you would normally expect from a vehicle of this size. Now look at the entire vehicle from this angle. It doesn't look soft, it doesn't look ordinary, and it definitely doesn't look like another copy of a traditional luxury SUV. It looks like BYD is trying to create its own identity at the very top of the market. But here's where things get seriously interesting. The Yangwang name already represents BYD's ultra-premium technology push, and the technology behind the existing Yangwang U8 and U9 gives us an idea of what a future flagship SUV could potentially offer. BYD's E4 platform uses 4 independently controlled electric motors, allowing torque to be controlled separately at each wheel. That means the vehicle can react extremely quickly to changes in traction and driving conditions. And this isn't just a technical number for a brochure. This technology can enable extraordinary vehicle control, including the famous 360-degree tank turn demonstrated by Yangwang. The U8 also combines advanced electric drive technology with BYD's DiSus intelligent body control system, showing that the company is approaching luxury SUVs from a completely different direction. Now imagine taking that philosophy and pushing into a next-generation flagship like this, a massive luxury SUV. With 4-wheel independent electric control, instant electric torque, advanced suspension technology, and a cabin designed to compete with the world's most expensive vehicles, that combination could completely change what people expect from a high-end SUV. And then there's the interior. Step inside, and the aggressive exterior gives way to a much more sophisticated environment. The cabin shown here features a large central display, a fully digital driver's screen, premium leather-style surfaces, carbon fiber-inspired trim, metallic controls, and carefully integrated ambient lighting. The steering wheel sits at the center of the cockpit, surrounded by digital information and controls. Ahead of the driver, the digital instrument display keeps the most important information directly in view, while the large central screen handles entertainment and vehicle functions. But what really stands out is the center console. The electronic gear selector, drive controls, metallic switches, and sculpted surfaces give the cabin the feeling of a high-tech command center rather than a conventional SUV interior. And that is exactly the direction Yangwang appears to be taking. Luxury doesn't have to mean old-fashioned. It can mean technology. It can mean precision. It can mean performance. And it can mean a vehicle that reacts to the road in ways traditional SUVs simply cannot. The existing Yangwang U8 already demonstrates just how extreme this philosophy can become. BYD has stated that the U8 Premium Edition delivers more than 1,200 horsepower and can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a claimed 3.6 seconds. Think about that for a moment. We're talking about a large luxury SUV with performance figures that would have sounded unbelievable from an SUV just a few years ago. And the Yangwang U10 takes the story even further. The U10 is an all-electric performance car built around the same E4 technology philosophy, showing that BYD isn't limiting this platform to one type of vehicle. So if a future U10 ever becomes a production reality, the big question won't simply be how fast it is. The real question will be how much technology BYD is willing to put into it. Could it receive an even more advanced version of the four-motor system? Could active suspension technology make the body react intelligently to different driving conditions? Could it combine extreme performance with a cabin designed for first-class luxury? Those are the questions that make this vehicle so fascinating. But there is one important fact we have to make clear. As of now, BYD has not officially confirmed a production model called the 2027 Yangwang U10. So the vehicle you're seeing should be treated as a futuristic concept or speculative design, while the Yangwang U8, U9, E4 platform and related technologies are real and officially demonstrated by BYD. And honestly, that makes the idea even more interesting, because the technology isn't science fiction. The technology already exists. The U8 has already shown what BYD can do with an extreme luxury SUV. The U9 has shown what the company can do with high-performance electric technology. And the E4 platform has demonstrated a level of wheel-by-wheel control that makes traditional SUV engineering look completely different. So the U10, if it ever becomes real, could represent the next step. Not simply another luxury SUV, not simply another electric vehicle, but a flagship designed to combine size, luxury, technology, and extreme performance into one machine. And now take one last look at the exterior, the lights, the massive grille, the wide body, those enormous wheels, the futuristic rear, and that completely different approach to luxury. If BYD actually turns this vision into a production vehicle, the biggest question won't be whether people notice it. They will. The question will be whether the traditional luxury brands are ready for it. Because the next generation of luxury SUVs may not be defined only by heritage, leather, and a famous badge. It could be defined by technology, electric performance, intelligent control, and a completely new idea of what a flagship SUV should be. This is the futuristic BYD Yangwang U10. And if BYD ever makes this machine real, the luxury SUV game could change forever.